everybody, my name is Diego, and I have a special video for you guys. This is my first ever. This is my first ever Nerf gun video, and these are all my Nerf guns that I have. About 3, 6, 7. I have about 7 Nerf guns, but I'm gonna make an unboxing video for you guys to see. But first, let's check out the Nerf guns that I have. Okay, guys, just gonna set the camera right there. What's up, everybody? So, this is a mega big shot. It's the first Nerf gun that we're talking, and you can mod this too, and it shoots pretty good. Shoots like a boss, and you can have like a second dart in here, or if you mod it with like the balls, you can place like 5 in here, 5 in here, and then just 1 in here, and then just keep shooting, I guess. Alright, so moving on, we have the double strike. This one, I think you should get this one because it's a pretty good gun. Like, I like how it has like 2 stuff. You can also slam shot it. See if I can try to do it. Hold on, let me just. Yeah, hold on, guys. All right. No, I can't do it. But it is pretty amazing. You have this little trigger right here. You just let it. Boom. And you're dead. So yeah, it's a pretty good gun. And yeah. And it also has a double one. Ow! I hit my ear. Yeah. God, I'm gonna have a bunch of Nerf gun bullets over in here. God dang it. Where did the other one go? Who cares? Alright, so my next one is the Halo gun. Be careful of these illegal darts. They hurt a lot. These guns, they're not meant for playing with children, but I have one because I won it at a fair or something. But just don't hit anybody with this gun. Like, hit them on the legs. That's what I recommend. No back, no head. Oh man, these illegal darts, they're faster. They shoot more distance, and they hurt. They hurt like. See, the distance is just unbelievable. All right, next. We have Sharp Spear. This is called, I'm not sure. This, do not get it. It's actually pretty bad. 1 dart in 2 parts. 1, it looks bad. 2, it only carries 1 dart. 3, it doesn't go that much distance, and it's not that fast to shoot. You could just take all the parts off. It'll look pretty cool, but still, no. This is what it looks like without the parts, and it looks cool, but honestly, it's actually not that cool. All right, we'll put these parts away. Moving on. We have this shotgun. Raider at CS35. Alright, I'm not sure. 35. This one shoots like heck of a beast. Sorry guys. It's for business. Oh! Sorry about that, guys. So yeah, dude, that thing shoots like heck of insane. So yeah, this is it. You can take off this thing, but I'm not gonna do it. So moving on. The machine gun. This one is also a beast. I'm not gonna shoot at you. Oh, but it does do this. Like a. Sorry, guys. Yeah, that was the machine gun, and it does go. It does go a distance. And it shoots really fast. And it needs batteries too, so just recommend that. I don't use it that much though. Moving on, my favorite out of all Nerf guns ever created, the Mega Shot. This one, the Twin Shot. This one shoots double the bullets, double the fastness, and just double everything. The Mega Twin Shot. It's my baby. It's a tough baby. See, look at, I can like double the bullets. And oh yeah, you should get it. And I just, yeah. Okay. So, let's get to the new Nerf gun of the unboxing. Okay, guys, let me just do that. Time for the unbox. Alright, it's time for the unboxing. And here's what we're gonna unbox. Boom! I don't know what the name is. Flip Fury. It can flip sides. It's kind of like having like those two strong arm Nerf guns, like in one gun. Oh my god, you guys need to buy this. It's just amazing. All right, let's unbox this thing. Let's try to see where we can cut. And I found my. All right, I got that out. Got that. What's already missing? We're missing that one. Booyah! Almost out. I think there's like one more. Where is it attached? Where are you at? There you are. No! Come on! Then let go of my gun. Like, still. What's attached to it? Oh, I see it. I've got. I can't get it. Oh, I got it. Yes, here it is. It's a little heavy, but here it is. The Flip Theory. Oh. Here it is, and it flips. So yeah, this thing can flip, so you can keep on shooting. Oh man, dude, this thing is hardcore, and it goes far distance too. Like, if I could get these bullets out real quick. Hold on, need to post the video again. Okay, everybody, I got it. I got it. So yeah, I got the bullets and I'm loading them right now. I got like 3 more to do. Hopefully you guys can see. 1, a 2, and a 3. Number 3. And there you have it. This is the Flip Theory shot. And it shoots like a beast. Ooh. Shot right back at me. But you're a wind. Down to Narnia. Okay. So yeah, this thing is hardcore. Amazing. See, I ran out of ammo. Well, I have a few more bullets, but if you want to get more, load it to the other side. Keep on shooting. Oh man, so yeah, it's a pretty good gun. It's a pretty good gun. I recommend you get this gun for like a backup weapon. Well, okay, everybody, that was my Nerf gun video. And if I get more subscribers, I might do another Nerf gun video, then another one, then another one. I'll just keep on doing videos for maybe a whole many years, like 35 years. I'm just kidding. But hey, thank you for just leave a comment below, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time, and subscribe. See you guys.